Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today I will be discussing chapter number 1, a smart machine. Today we will discuss the topic number 2 of this chapter. The second topic is like this: humans and computers. What is the topic all about? The topic is about the comparison between human and computer. Means that in this topic we will discuss who is better than the other. So let's see the basic definition of computer. The basic definition of computer is like this: a computer is a smart machine. Basically, computer is a machine made by us, but we are calling it as a smart machine because it can do so many works at a time with a very quick speed. Okay, secondly we will discuss that there are differences between computer and us. And what are the differences are there? Basically we are comparing computer with the human beings. Okay, first difference is computer works very fast. As we all know that whatever we are calculating or giving any task to the computer, it will solve it like in the minimum interval of time, in seconds it will solve it. We can say that computer working is very fast as compared to human beings. Human beings are slow. They complete their work a minimum in minutes and hours. For example, if I have given you to write one page of the copy, you will take 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or maybe you can take 30 minutes. But if if I am working on the computer and I am just copying and paste of the pages, it will copy and paste the computer pages within seconds. Okay, or if I am using the voice or typing on it, it will do it in minimum seconds to type it. Okay, next we have computer do not make mistakes. Whatever we have feed it into the computer, whatever we have saved our files and passwords into the computer when we dial our when we write our password onto the computer screen, it won't make mistake and recognize you. As compared to human beings have maximum chances to make mistakes because we forget and we make mistake and say sorry. Third comparison is about computer never gets tired. If we have given task to the computer or set of computers to process data for 2 or 3 days, if we have given the same task, same data to process all the day and night, it will do it without getting tired, because a computer cannot get tired because it is a machine. It will process day and night, months and years, the same data. But as compared to human get tired after working for about 5 hours or 1 hour. Human gets easily tired. Okay, machines do not get tired. Next comparison is about computer has a very good memory. Computer has a good memory. How can we say that? Because computer has built-in memory cards into it. We have memory cards or memory inside the computer in the form of gigabyte, terabyte and very enhanced form as compared to humans. But human beings have memory, but not as a good memory. We can say that human beings have good memory too, but they have limited memory, but they can recall it for fewer things. But we compare it to the computer has a very good memory because it has a very larger storage space as compared to human beings. Okay, next comparison is about computer do not have any feelings. Because it is a machine, it cannot become happy or sad or any tiredness or any feelings. It cannot show any feelings onto it because it is a machine. But human beings have feelings. They get bored, they got happy, they got excited and they got sad. We have feelings, but computers don't have any feelings. Computer do not take decision. Yes, this is the basic reason that humans are superior on computer. That computer cannot decide. If we have two dresses, we can decide which dress we have to select, what we have to wear. And if we have, as we talk about the computers, if computer have 4 files and we have to send only one, the computer can't decide which file it has to send. It will ask you which select the file to send. Okay, so we can say that computer is a machine, but it cannot take decisions. Okay, but the human beings can take decisions wisely. Okay, let's have a recap of the topic. What we discussed today, we have discussed the comparisons between humans and computers. First we will discuss computer. What computer can do? Computer works very fast. Computer do not make mistake. Computer never get tired. Computers never get bored. They never get bored. And computer has a very good memory in the form of memory cards or memory slots installed in it. And let's compare. Yes, and but the far but not the least, computer cannot take decision. That's a drawback of a computer. Let's talk about human beings. What human beings can do and can't do. Human beings work very slow. Human beings can make mistake. They get tired doing the same work, and they get bored by doing the same work again and again. They makes you bored. Okay, not everyone has a good memory. We have memory, human beings have memory, but not a good one as compared to the computers. Lastly, here we can say that the human being wins. Okay, human beings can decide and take their decisions wisely. On the behalf of this point, they can use the computer according to their need. Okay, so what's the homework? I'm giving you homework. You have to do it in your notebook with the blue color pencil. Write the question with the blue color pencil and write the answer as I have discussed in the recap. What you have to write? The question is, make a list of 5 differences between computers and humans in your notebook. Okay, what you have to do, you have to draw a line for the answer in between the page and write 2 headings, computers and human. Okay, and write choose any 5 differences from the recap. Second homework is, after writing it, you have to learn it. That's all for today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Allah Hafiz.